This should demonstrate the issue. Notice I power on, unit turns on, goes to zeros. Seems to be working fine. And then I press temperature, and you notice that it goes into a state. Despite what the display indicates, the air coming out of the nozzle is cold. It's no longer preheating. As soon as I pressed a button, the preheating went away and it's just cold air. Nothing changes. If I put it back in, it'll just continue to run. Here's a continuation of the issue, so you see it's still running. If I power off, wait a few seconds, power back on, it goes back into normal mode. Without picking up the iron, you notice, and now nothing will work. No results. Nothing. Here's one more demonstration. Power on. All right, no entry, so if I select one of the nothing, I get nothing, 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 no works. Still nothing. Back on the stand, still nothing, nothing. So power off.